Namaskar. The big news coming is that the NEET entrance examination for medical aspirants is going to take place on the 1st of August 2021. यानी कि नीट की परीक्षा अगस्त 1 2021 को कराई जाएगी. And the big news is that, which will disappoint many people, is that it is going to be conducted only once. सिर्फ एक बारी कराई जाएगी, not twice as was being reported earlier. This will be in the pen and paper mode, that is offline, and it will be conducted in 11 languages including Hindi and English. Okay, 11 भाषाओं में इस एग्जाम को कराया जाएगा जिसमें कि हिंदी और इंग्लिश भी शामिल है. तो इसका बड़ा मतलब यह है कि the option of 4 appearances which have been given to those who are taking the JEE mains February, March, April and May, the same facility, the same options are not being given to those who are taking the NEET in 2021. In my opinion, that's being very unfair. Now, the question to ask is, who took this decision? ये निर्णय किसने लिया? क्योंकि नेशनल टेस्टिंग एजेंसी जो कि इन परीक्षाओं को कराती है, जेई मेंस एंड नीट को, that had expressed its opinion that it can conduct the exam twice, right? The health ministry, according to the report in the New Indian Express, had also said yes, that you can go ahead and conduct the NEET twice in 2021. You can see the report of the New Indian Express, which we have put in the description box. We had reported on this earlier as well. So did the education ministry, because the ball was again in the education ministry's court, so did the education ministry take the decision कि नहीं, हम NEET को सिर्फ एक ही बारी कराएंगे? Who took the decision? I think the NEET aspirants, 15 lakh, 16 lakh students deserve an answer. They need to know who took this call that NEET will not be conducted twice in 2021, because there is so much of pressure. There has been complete online learning this entire year. Students have not been able to go to a coaching class. So why couldn't 2 options been given to them? When the JEE aspirants can have 4 options, why can't the NEET aspirants also have 2 options? उनको भी 2 बार परीक्षा देने का मौका क्यों नहीं दिया जा सकता? यह हो सकता था कि 1 अगस्त को आप एक एग्जाम करा रहे हैं, उसके कुछ दिन बाद आप दूसरी परीक्षा करा सकते थे. क्या इसमें कोई बड़ी मुसीबत होती? We don't know. So if the NTA and the health ministry were willing, why was the final decision taken not to go in for a second option for all those 15 lakh NEET aspirants? Why deny to NEET what has been made available to JEE mains? And I think ये बहुत नाइंसाफी हुई है NEET aspirants के साथ. It is highly discriminatory. So now, as far as the NEET aspirants are concerned, you have what? March half month, April, May, June, July. 4.5 months to prepare for the big day on the 1st of August. All I would say is, please be safe. There are certain pockets in the country जहां पर कोविड के केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं. So please remain safe over the next 4.5 months. You have worked hard a lot. You are going to work more hard in the next 4.5 months. It is your responsibility. It's in your best interest to keep yourself absolutely safe. All the best to you. God bless you. Thank you very much for watching.